Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Freightliner 24-foot long bed with a universal mounting kit. Folks, this vehicle only has 99,000 miles on it. Automatic Cummins engine, beautiful unit. Got a wood bed on it. Brand new buyer's toolbox. This unit is equipped with refurbed outer steel rims, 80% or better tire, 80% or better brakes all the way around, air ride suspension, 54,000 GVW. As we get to the back, you can see the universal mounting kit will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. As we come to the driver's side, all of our units do come with brand new straps on them ready to come work for you. This is a beautiful unit. Dual aluminum 50-gallon tanks, one on the driver, one on the passenger. As we climb up on the inside here, folks, as I said, automatic transmission, 99,893 miles on this unit, air ride suspension, AM, FM, CD radio. We'll fire it up here for you just to take a quick listen. Folks, this is a beautiful 2017 Cummins automatic transmission, 24-foot bed, 102 wide, universal mounting kit, 99,000 miles on it, beautiful unit. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our trucks, our trailers, and our piggyback forklifts available for sale.